Welcome to the future of creativity. Welcome to Dreamina. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something incredible, such an AI platform that's changing how creators, marketers, educators, and everyday users generate visuals. This is Dreamina, an AI-powered video and image generator that brings your wildest ideas to life. Whether you need stunning visuals for content, social media, marketing, or storytelling, Dreamina has you covered. So, what exactly is Dreamina? Dreamina is an advanced AI platform designed to generate high-quality images and videos from text prompts. That means you simply describe what you want, ASEAs, and Dreamina brings it to life. No cameras, no photo shoots, no expensive editing software. It's like having your own creative studio, powered by artificial intelligence. Let's break down the powerful features that make Dreamina the game changer. Text to image generator. Enter any description outside, say, like a surreal dreamscape with floating islands. Get high-res images in seconds. Supports various art styles, 3D, anime realism, pixel art, oil painting, and more. Text to video generator. Describe a scene and Dreamina turns it into short videos. Perfect for storytelling, music videos, product showcases, or TikTok, YouTube content. Videos can be animated, cinematic, abstract, or realistic. Multi-language support. Generates in English, Spanish, Arabic, Amharic, and more. Localized experience for global users. Easy prompt system. Beginner-friendly prompt suggestions. You don't need to be a writer. Toss the Dreamina guides your imagination. Template library. Pre-designed prompts and templates for specific needs. Product promotions. Children's stories. Aspect ratio and style control. Choose 9:16 for TikTok Reels. 69 for YouTube. Customize resolution, tone, background, and characters. Free and paid plans. Start free with basic credits. Upgrade for HD videos, priority rendering, longer duration videos, and commercial use. Getting started with Dreamina is simple. Step 1, create a free account. Visit Dreamina. Sign up with your email or Google account. Step 2, choose video or image generation. Select image generator or video generator. Step 3, type your prompt. Example, a happy robot dancing in a sunflower field, Pixar style. Select duration, aspect ratio, and style. Step 4, hit generate. Let Dreamina's eye do the magic. Preview, download, or regenerate with variations. Dreamina is designed for everyone. Here's who it's perfect for. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, Dreamina helps you create without limits. Here's what's coming soon to Dreamina. Voice to video generation, face swap and character cloning, interactive prompt builder. Creativity has never been more accessible, and Dreamina is leading the charge. Whether you're a business owner, artist, or dreamer, this platform empowers you to create visuals that once they lived only in your imagination. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Dreamina and try it today. No design skills needed, just your ideas. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more creative tools, and drop a comment sharing what you create with Dreamina.